Hey, little artists! Welcome back to Color Rhymes. Today we're going to draw some fun shapes, a square, a triangle, and a circle. Grab your markers and let's start creating together. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss the fun. Let's start with the triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides, just like a slice of pizza. Yum! Now time for the circle. Round and round we go, like the sun in the sky. And here comes the square. 4 equal sides, just like a little window. Yay! Now let's jump into coloring. I can't wait to see these shapes come to life with colors. Now the triangle gets a light blue, so calm and cool, like the sky on a sunny day. Let's color the circle red. Red is bold and full of energy, just like our fun! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. And for the square, let's use yellow, bright and happy, just like sunshine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. Coloring. Great job! Now let's trace the outlines to make our shapes pop and look even cooler. Are you ready? Let's go! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be the first to see our next fun video. Yay! Our shapes are all done. Triangle, circle, and square look amazing. Time to say goodbye for now. But we'll be back with more fun soon! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell, little artists. Bye-bye!